Is your car refusing to start with no noise at all? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Here are some troubleshooting steps to help you get to the bottom of the problem. Step 1. Check the battery. A dead or weak battery is often the culprit. Try jump-starting the car using another vehicle or a jump-starting device. If the car starts, it indicates a weak battery or a charging system problem. Step 2. Inspect the battery connections. Dirty or loose connections can prevent proper electrical flow. Clean the battery terminals using a wire brush and ensure they are tightened securely. Step 3. Examine the fuses. Blown fuses can disrupt the ignition or starting system. Check the fuse box for any blown fuses related to the starting system. Replace any blown fuses with new ones of the same rating. Step 4. Test the starter motor. A faulty starter motor can prevent the car from starting. However, testing the starter motor requires specialized equipment and knowledge. It's best to consult a professional mechanic for diagnosis and repair. Step 5. Consider the ignition switch. A faulty ignition switch can cause starting issues. A qualified mechanic can test the ignition switch and replace it if necessary. Step 6. Security system issues. Some cars have immobilizer systems that can prevent starting. Check your car's manual for instructions on how to reset or bypass the security system if applicable. If you've tried these troubleshooting steps and still can't identify or fix the problem, it's best to have your vehicle inspected by a qualified mechanic. Remember, proper maintenance and regular checkups can help prevent starting issues in the future. Stay safe on the road, and happy driving.